Now Lucas has been out for a minute, but is back as himself, Lucas, called Renegade. There's a plan A and a plan B, which is a performance version. So obviously I'm gonna go with plan A. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into this, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. It's in 4K. Captions on. Bop. Whoa. Did he say daddy? What? Oh, Lottie Dottie. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go get it. Look, I said they sleep. They don't sleep on me. I'm a whole beast. The whole scene in bed, this is my feast. I come time again. It's rookies to swear I don't know what care way feel like to be at the bottom. They must have forgotten. I broke out of all these world problems.
So it's like him saying his case, like talking to to all the journalists, or like press release.
They try to stop me, but it's harmless. It's over Charlie. You never know. It's a renegade, renegade. Elevate, elevate. Shot, renegade, renegade.
Oh, he likes it. Damn, what got changed?
Renegades gotta get this started. Let them sing like the birds in the morning. Life flame in the darkness.
Live flame in the darkness.
No patience, I'm an alien. This my spaceship, these routes that I'm taking. Never basic, let haters stay hating. Another baiting, I'm a fan favorite. Make them sizzle, baby, watch me fly. What's up to the sky? Got more,
damn,
sure.
got shots on him too.
One more, of course, I'm ready.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh,
I know I wanna like the pauses, pull my cars out in the
what?
jokers. They try to stop me, but it's harmless. It's over Charlie. You never know. It's a renegade, renegade.
Does he feel like a mouse sometimes, like almost like a labrador? Oh my God, stop! They really were going after his ass, so I real talk.
Let us wait, watch me on the one again. Renegades gotta get this started. Never sing like the birds in the morning.
What the fuck?
Life ain't in the darkness.
Like threw a little?
Got my play.
Ooh, nice change up.
Light a small fire, keep it playful. Don't trip, okay, throwing shade. What you saying, I don't mind. I see in the face, I see in the eyes that I tell lie.
Okay. Causing a ruckus in the freaking press conference. But everybody watching still. Causing the renegade, basically.
Renegade, elevate, elevate. Shot, renegade. Let us wait, watch me on the one again. Renegade, elevate. Shot, renegade. Let us wait, watch me on the one again. Renegades gotta get this started. Let them sing like the birds in the morning.
Get it.
Life ain't in the darkness.
Interesting. You know, I didn't know what to expect for his comeback. I mean, when he announced that he was having a comeback. Renegade. Lucas. Interesting. And now they got plan A, plan B. Love how plan A focuses more on the lyrics and story while plan B focuses on choreography. I see. Plan B is so satirical and supposed to hint at everything that's happened to Lucas. I expected nothing less. If this wasn't a clapback tribute to what that's been going through the last few years, I don't know what you call it, storyline. Yeah, it basically is a clapback. All right, let me check this out.
Yeah.
I'm getting some chips. Hold on.
Let's go get it.
It's a show right now.
Look, I said they sleep. They don't sleep on me. I'm a whole beast. The whole scene in bed, this is my feast. I come time again. It's rookies. I swear I don't know what care way feel like to be at the bottom. They must have forgotten. I broke out of all these world problems. It's read through the columns. They taint in the picture, but I'm also who to shot 'em. I swear for the gossip. I know I wanna like the pauses. Pull my cars out in the jokers. They try to stop me, but it's harmless. It's over Charlie. You never know. It's a renegade. Elevate. Shot. Renegade.
I like that he made 2 music videos though.
Watch me on the one again.
One story based, lyric based, is more choreo based, performance based.
No patience, I'm an alien. This my spaceship, these routes that I'm taking. Never basic, let haters stay hating. Another baiting, I'm a fan favorite. Make them sizzle, baby, watch me fry. Watch the small ones up to the sky.
I like that part a lot.
You ready? One more, of course, I'm ready. I know I wanna like the pauses, pull my cars out.
Ain't no jokers.
They try to stop me, but it's harmless. It's no control, and you should know it's a renegade, renegade. Elevate, elevate. Shot, shot, shot.
He only came out with only a single, right? Just Renegade. Ooh.
Watch me on a one again. Renegades gotta get this started. Let them sing like the birds in the morning.
Let him sing like the birds in the morning.
Renegade. Got my
Good to see his face back again, though.
light a small fire, keep it playful. Don't trip, okay.
Hair all out too. Renegade plus 2 more songs. I see.
I don't mind. I see in the face, I see in the eyes that tell lies.
Ooh. Ooh. Hey. 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 Damn.
Renegade, renegade. Elevate, elevate. Shot, shot, shot. Renegade, renegade. Let it spray. Watch me on the one again. Renegade.
Yeah, it goes to like his conference, his press conference, right?
Shot, shot, shot. Renegade, renegade.
I feel like this is just the beginning, though.
Let it spray. Watch me on the one again. Renegades gotta get this started. Let me sing like
I feel like he has more to show too. After like watching these both, this is dope, but I feel like you got more, for sure.
renegade.
And I can't wait to see it, Lucas. I can't wait to see it. I'm glad he's back. I can't wait to see more. Yeah, been waiting for it. I was wondering if he was ever gonna come back. It's good to see his face, see him performing again, and yeah, Lucas, everybody, Lucas, he back. He back, bitch.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.